The real way to drink coffee like a man is straight black. Where I make my most money is just a very simple breakout of yesterday's highs or yesterday's lows, lows, pre-market highs with a very simple break and retest. Pendulum on the left so I can make sure I'm powered up. Matter of fact, I need another power up.
When you're already up fat, and in this case, I'm up seeing a nice 15, 17, 18%, I'm gonna move my stop loss to profits.
Good morning, my fellow day traders, and welcome back to another live trading session where we're going to live trade the market and show you guys exactly how we do the does it. Now, I already posted my ideas in the trade ideas tab. Per usual, as you guys can see right here, I'm just watching Apple, which is on my main watch. I already made money off Apple 3 times, guys, just trading this very simple level. Now, this will be my 4th time trading this level and making money off this level. And the market is about to open in a single minute, guys. It's currently 6:29 a.m. PST time. What time does the market open for you guys? Are you guys up this early before 6 a.m. looking at the market? Or does the market open for you for at 9:30 a.m.? That's nice, I'm not gonna lie. But with all that being said, we also even have the SP 500s on watch here as well. Now, not too much going on here other than the breakout of yesterday's highs, which is what I'm watching for. And I'll show you guys here once it does happen, which kind of already is happening now. Now, today I only have an hour into the market. So honestly, if I don't catch any trades, but we still will watch the market and show you guys price action, how I read it, what's going on. And overall, just how to be patient in the market. Because guys, you don't need to take every single trade. You don't need to take a trade right at open. And on top of that, you don't need to be in a trade every single day. To be very honest, last month I barely traded that month, but I at least took a single trade a week. And guys, every single week I was killing it. Every single trade a nice gain. So again, today we plan on going in for 2 contracts. If we trade anything, capturing a nice 30% gain with a 10 to 12% stop loss. It's really simple. It's not that much. So let's see what happens. Already the market's taking off. So this is the SP 500 breaking above yesterday's highs, you guys can see here. All I need is just a very simple retest. So as you guys see, I'm very patient. Look at this. Even though this is taking off right now without me, most people would probably be like, let me just hop in just because it's going crazy. Guys, there is a potential for a retest around this area, and then we can get a nice breakout back above. So I don't mind this going off crazy without me. I don't have FOMO. I'm not trying to chase it. I'm not over here feeling like, man, I should have entered right out open. That's just the way my brain thinks, and that's how I operate. Same thing with Nvidia. Nvidia's getting a nice breakout here. But again, I'm not over here panicking, trying to chase it, saying, oh my gosh, I coulda, woulda, shoulda entered. We're just patient, guys. I'm gonna wait for this retest back at this level before it bounce. That's it. That's how simple it is. Let's watch what the market does. And this is my setup here. If anyone's curious, it's been a while since I showed my setup, but laptop in the middle, 2 nice speakers on the side so I can bump music, submit money-making music. Discord on the left, stocks on the right, stocks in the middle, pendulum on the left so I can make sure I'm powered up. Matter of fact, I need another power up. I need a coffee this morning. So this is the second power up that I need here. It's a little bit of a double espresso. Literally, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how you need to drink coffee. I'm about to show you guys how a real man drinks coffee because you guys be adding all that sugar, fake stuff to it. I'm gonna show you guys how a real man drinks coffee. So it's finished, double espresso. This is the real way to drink coffee, okay? You ready? All you need to do is add, just that's it. The real way to drink coffee like a man is straight black. Don't add no sugars to it. Don't add no creamer, none of that. No milk. Only water, if anything. And just drink it like that. And the way I see you should drink coffee is more of like, it's supposed to wake you up. You're not supposed to enjoy it, but just down it. Actually, the first 15 minutes of market is closed. You can see right there, it says 6:45 a.m. July 9th. And guys, it's still kind of rocketing. But either way, we have Apple on watch. I have an alert set just in case it does drop below that level that I mentioned earlier, or on my trade ideas tab, as you guys can see here. And if it does drop below that level, I will definitely take some puts again today, guys. Now, yesterday I did, or no, 2 days ago on Monday, I took trades on Apple, made some good money. Yesterday, we took a trade on Qs. We lost money here. And then now we're going to probably take some Apple today. Because honestly, I don't have any other bullish setups. Everything is already gone, guys. And what I mean by that is because look at this. I was planning to take SPY calls above this level, but literally right at open and in the pre-market, we just shot through it. Same thing with Nvidia, same level that I have. Everything just shot through it. So everything's going wild today. So with all that being said, guys, we're just going to keep Apple on watch for the day on the higher time frames. And unfortunately, I actually don't have that much time today. So we're going to do a recap when we get back home. I got to go help my mother today on her business, family-owned business, mom and pop shop type business. And with all that being said, guys, we're still going to come back and show you guys what trades we take. Because honestly, I want to enter on Apple. We might even just do what we did last time and just enter. What is your go-to strategy? What kind of strategy do you like waiting for? And what is your bread and butter? For me, guys, it's very simple. To be honest, where I make my most money is just a very simple breakout of yesterday's highs or yesterday's lows, pre-market highs with a very simple break and retest. on a 15-minute time frame. I'm talking about a 15-minute candle breakout, and then all I do is drop down on the 5-minute time frame. After I get the 15-minute confirmation candle breakout, on the 5 minutes, I just watch the price action. I just see if there's going to create a hammer, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, whatever it is. I just need some type of confirmation to show me that bulls or bears, let's say for an example, a breakout above yesterday's highs. If I enter, I'll wait for a 15-minute breakout confirmation candle above yesterday's highs. Then I'll go on the 5-minute time frame, wait for a retest or a long wick to downside, just indicating that buyers are tapping in an area and or even some consolidation, and I'll enter in. Set a very simple stop loss of about 10-12%, which is below that will give me some room just in case, with a 30% price target, a 1 to 3. That's how simple it is, guys. That's all I look for. I'm not out here trying to overcomplicate it, waiting for some RSI to do some crazy flip, EMAs to cross over this, do that. No. It's very simple. So if you guys want to learn how to keep it simple like I do, then join the break and retest program. Link is in the bio, and I'll see you guys in there. Look at how cool this is, guys. Look at how the whole market's pulling back together. Notice how SPY first started out with long wicks to the upside, indicating that sellers stepping in. And if you switch to the 5 minutes, you can see where the sellers stepped in. Now, I'm not saying it's time for puts. All I'm saying is look at how SPY is pulling back. Then when you look at NVIDIA, same thing. It's pulling back. QQQ's somewhat pulling back, but not so much as SPY's and NVIDIA. But all I'm saying is, guys, look at how the market moves together. This is why I like to watch all stocks together. Shout out Tim, man. He's out here trading nicely. See, I'm out here trying to put people on game, but also this is his own analysis. This is his own trade. This is his own everything. Everything that he did today was basic, is on his own. But he did give me a little shout out, and I do appreciate him. He said, Project Gang. The reason why he's giving me a shout out is because, guys, I always mention how you need to be patient in the market. Don't trade the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes of market being open. Give it some patience. Wait for the market to give you a setup and then enter in. It's much more better, much more safer, and you become more comfortable and confident in the market. Now, again, shout out to you, Tim. Although you are giving me a shout out here as well. And I also want to give you props because everything that you did today was all on you, fam. And I'm so proud and glad that you're out here killing it, bro. Very nice breakout. Then when you go to the gains tab, you guys can see he posted his analysis, his thoughts. And I love it, guys. I literally love it. Well, today's weather is not so nice. It's a little bit cloudy, a little bit rainy.
So, guys, we're just arriving to my mom's mechanic shop, which I'm going to show you guys what it looks like here soon. But I entered Apple Shorts, guys. I did exactly what I said I was going to do, which is enter Apple Shorts here at 208.40, guys. And these contracts are well over 14%. I got in these contracts for $278. They're now worth $315, guys. So
My mama ride her.
guys, I just arrived to my mom's mechanic shop, and as you guys just saw, that was her, which I'm going to be running it since she's got a few errands to run, and her front desk person actually, quit. So with all that being said, I'm going to run it real quick for the morning, and then Apple Shorts. I have my stop loss set just $8 below my entry, which will put me at a $16 loss if it ever comes back down to it. And these contracts are well up over 13% already. It literally broke down below that 208.40 level, which is what I posted in the Trade Ideas tab, which is why you guys need to be a part of the Discord premium chat, because, guys, it's so important to take these trades. You guys can be printing with me as well. Guys, all I did was catch the hourly breakdown to the downside. I'm in it. We got a nice hourly candle close. Worst case scenario comes back for a pullback, but that's it. I'm in 2 contracts for $278. Stop loss at 270. And guys, if this shit hits, these contracts are already at 315. They hit 320. They're ranging from 310 to 320. And my plan is to hold it as best as I can for nice 30%. So I'll update you guys once we get home with what the trade looks like on the charts. And then we'll show you guys the breakdown why I entered, how I even spotted this. And overall, guys, I've been trying to tell you guys, I've been trading the same setup for this is my 4th time now. So it's crazy. So we just finished helping my mother out, guys. We're going to go home. And guys, guess what had happened, guys? We was up over $100 on Apple, seeing a nice 17% gain. And then unfortunately, guys, it did hit my stop loss in profits at $300. And guys, this is what put me over $40 on the day. So I'm not complaining. I'll take it. It is what it is. But at one point, we was up over $100. And guys, that's what I'm trying to shoot for. Again, check it out. This is how risk to reward is managed, guys. Once you're up in profits, a nice 15, 17, whatever you're comfortable with, all you have to do is adjust your stop loss. So my stop loss was at $370, putting me at a $16 risk. That's not even that much, guys. Seriously, who's willing to lose $16 every single time they take a trade? Me. I don't mind. That's literally nothing compared to the reward that I will gain if it goes in my favor. And in this case, guys, it was almost to 30% gain. We only saw 17%. I'm trying to shoot for 30% gains, a 1 to 3. I'm not selling until I hit my price target. And again, it didn't hit my price target. It only went up to 17%. So what do you do in this case? When you're already up fat, and in this case, I'm up seeing a nice 15, 17, 18%, I'm going to move my stop loss to profits, to basically around entry or wherever I want to just exit. In this case, guys, I move my stop loss well above over $20 a contract at $22 a piece, which is how I made $44 a trade. So you guys can see my contracts here. And again, guys, that's how simple I keep it. It's not rocket science. People that try to make trading so complicated and say I only wait for RSI, EMA to cross over this and that and this. No, it's so simple, guys. Break down on my level, enter trade. Boom, that's it. Set a simple price target, set a simple stop loss, and just set and forget. With all that being said, let's go home and let's show you guys a trade if we do. If not, we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. And I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog. So thank you guys for watching.